Get acquainted with the 2016 Honda Odyssey. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a close look at this Honda Odyssey. It's the dynamic family minivan that sets the standard for safety, comfort, and convenience. From its smart technology to its ingenious passenger luxuries and powerful performance, this family vehicle has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, third row seat, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, power driver seat. Powerful, agile cargo hauler meets safe, comfortable family oasis. Drive the Honda Odyssey.